All right, Jason here from Newton's Wave, and in this live stream in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how I use Newton's Wave to trade crypto or forex or stocks and shares. In this particular video I'm going to try and make $10,000 in the next 5 minutes, so let's get straight into this. All right, so I'm on the TradingView portal here, desktop platform. I'm lifting up now the crypto screener from the bottom. I'm going to go into filters and I'm going to reset everything onto that. I'm now going on to the exchange and I'm going to tick Binance. So that only brings the Binance crypto up. That's on the Binance platform. I'm then going to type in here. I'm going to type in USDT because I don't want anything else up. And now I'm going to double click this volume 24-hour USD. There we go. Brilliant. 6.6 billion at the top. So let's see. No, I'm not doing perp. So let's have a look here. See if I can find mask. Okay, let's have a look here. What have we got here? So this is mask. Okay, let's have a look. Let's bring this on. Okay, so on the screen here you can see the candlestick pattern. You can see that this is mask. So this is how I use Newton's Wave. So I get the peaks first. I count the peaks. So this is done peak 1, and it's instrumental that I actually put these down on here. Peak 2, peak 3. So this is doing peak 4, which is good. So this is on the up at the moment here, so that's good. So now I'm going to go on to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so here I am on the 1 minute time frame. Now I need to get my count in again on Newton's Wave here, so I'm just going to make these slightly smaller. So there is peak 1. So the reason I count the peaks is because that's how the price, basically the price pattern, the candlestick price pattern, is preceded by Newton's Wave. So if Newton's Wave goes up, the price goes up. Newton's Wave goes down, the price goes down. And the price actually follows the contours of a massive electromagnetic sine wave. So I'm onto here. All right, so that's 4. This is doing 5. So I'm going to come into this after it has done peak 5 down. So it's going up at the moment, but it's going to come down on this one. So I'm waiting for Newton's Wave. Let me make this a bit bigger so you can see. There we go. All right, and let me move Newton's Wave up so you can see how I'm getting the counts on here. So we've got peak 1, peak 2, peak 3, peak 4, peak 5. So I'm just waiting for peak 5 to come down. So if you're wondering where that will be, so here is peak 5 right there. All right, so there you go. It's flattened out now. Now that should drop in a minute. That should drop down, and then that is where I'm going to enter the trade at. Let me just get a pen and paper here. So where are we? It's going down now with Newton's Wave. So let me just get another so that's number 6. All right, so here we go. So I am getting ready to, so where are we now? 3, that's that, 7, so there we go. So brilliant. Okay, so that's coming down now, peak 5 as you can see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then as soon as this turns, that is where I'm going to enter the trade right here. Just waiting for this to turn on Newton's Wave. Right, okay, there you go. It's flatlined. I am coming into the trade. Right. Now let me just do this on my Binance. Right, I'm just waiting for it to turn up. So if I put a dotted line here so you can see. There you go. So as soon as that turns here on Newton's, there you go, it's turned up, right? So there you go. I'm on the trade right now. So this is coming up to number 6 now. So let me put the line of sale in where I came in. That is actually where I came in. So it's fallen slightly below where I've come in, but I'm not fussed because in a minute this is going to turn up, and then that is where I am going to make my money. So you look at this now, wouldn't you, and you'd think, ah, this guy's got it wrong. But this is why I do these things live, because I want to show you how good Newton's wave is. So look, Newton's wave is turned. It's now coming up to peak 6. And there we go. You can see it turning. Now this should push up in a minute. There you go. All right. So there we go. You can see the candle forming now. Newton's wave here. It's turning up now to peak 6. So there you go. So this should push past. There you go. It's pushed past the resistance. Look at that coming up now on number 6. This is, I told you, this is incredible, isn't it? There you go. Look at that shooting up now. So just waiting on this. I'm aware of the time because I said I'm trying to make the money in 5 minutes, right? And so I'm dependent and reliant on the frequency of the buying and selling at the moment, which gives everything its speed. So there you go. Newton's wave just gone flat. Can you see how it pulls the price up though? So there's peak number 6 done, which is brilliant. So this will be heading up to peak 7 now, which will be fantastic. So I'm going to put 7 there, and I'm going to make this green. There we go, just to show you. All right, so there's peak 6. It's got to come down peak 6, but then oh, look at this, brilliant. So look at that, it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. So it's back at this resistance level there, but it's poking its heads through. Once it breaks free of there, especially when it breaks free from this particular level here, then we're laughing. So there you go. So it's doing peak 6 as we're speaking. Then it's going to come down, and peak 7 is where I'm going to make my money on this. So look at that. Oh man, look at that coming up now. So come on, there we go. So there we go. There we go. The price is rising beautifully now. So oh, look at that. Oh man. This is why I love Newton's wave, and this is what I try and make these streams and these videos for, to show you that trading is a science, right? And once you, oh man, once you know the science, you're laughing. It's not guesswork. It's not mystery. It's not based on fundamentals. Here we go. Oh, I missed that spike there. Otherwise I would have come out, but hold on. I'm going to stay in this. I'm going to stay in this. So this is going up to peak 6 now. Even if it comes back down, it's got peak 7 to do. So this is why I love doing these live videos, just to show you how incredibly accurate Newton's wave is on your entry and exit points. You just don't have to guess anymore. Now, I wouldn't normally go this fast on a trade, but I'm just doing this obviously for the live stream, so you're not watching this for like 3 hours thinking, come on, get on with it kind of thing. But I just wanted to show you that. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So can you see how Newton's wave goes flat? Here we go. So as soon as this goes over, right, so it's just going to come down Newton's wave on number 6, then number 7. There we go. There we go. There's the turn of 6 there. So as soon as this goes over 390, here we go. So this has got to come down now. There you go, come down slightly. It's amazing how you can predict this stuff, and I can't always jump onto stuff, so don't get me wrong, like this. But sometimes it's more, you know, being at the right place at the right time, like I was then. But typically, if you use your scanner on, oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here, oh. Right, okay, if this, oh, brilliant, 390, look at that. So, there we go. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, come on, come on. Right, so that might be, yeah, okay, so we're turning on peak 6 now, and peak 7 here is where we're going to make the serious returns, right? As soon as this turns off peaks, I'm going to make these slightly bigger so you can see them while I'm waiting for this next rise. There you go, there's peak 6, peak 5. So I just want to show you how incredible this Newton's wave is, because look, the proof of the pudding's in the eating. Many people say to me, oh, you know, fundamentals is the key, and Bollinger Bands are the key. And so, you know, when I first got into trading, I had 1,000,001 indicators I used to use, but this is this Newton's wave is a powerful buy and sell prediction tool. I'm predicting as I'm going along, aren't I? Even before it's been done what it's going to do. I'm telling you what it's going to do. So look, it's turned on number 6 now. You can see it's just done that, and number 7 is where I'm going to make my money. Then I'm going to boom, I'm going to come out the trade. So okay, let's see if it does this, right? So there you go. I've got all the peaks lined up, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is brilliant. So this should rise above here now in a minute, or in a couple of minutes. So that is the line in which I want it to push above as it goes up to 7. There we go. So right, so let's get ready to sell. Oh, can you see Newton's wave just pulling the price up there as it heads up towards 7? Let's just make this 7 a bit bigger. All right, that's where we want it to head to. So that's it. Come on. So yeah, so it's amazing. So basically the price pattern follows the contours of an electromagnetic sine wave. That's what scientists discovered, and it's no mystery. Not many people trade using sine waves. They rather do it the hard way, but this is why. Oh, here we go. Right, so hopefully this should turn up now. This should break through here, and make me some money and allow me to sell this. So this should push through. We need this to push through now the next green line. So here we go. So resistance levels, so that's the next resistance, right? Oh, here we go, here we go. Look at it pushing through now, pushing through. You tell me, right, this is coincidence. Don't believe in coincidences. I only believe in science. That's why I love trading science, and that's why I like doing these live streams, because I'm not afraid to do them. Whether you're on whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading forex, whether you're doing stocks and shares, you can't, if you're trading by science and you've worked it all out and you know the trajectory and you've got the number of peaks, you can get, as I said, your entry and exit points spot on. You don't have to guess. So as this is heading up towards 7 now, I'm going to get ready to sell. So come on, I need us to do another rise. Here we go. Look at this going. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Yeah. There, I'm out. I'm out. And there you go. There you go. That is how to use Newton's wave, right? When you're trading. You don't have to guess. You don't have to speculate, right? You can actually predict where the price is going and where it's not going. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I love trading. I love helping people make money trading. And I wish you the best of success with your trading. You take care. Speak to you soon.